imported math. 3-1.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Alaikum salam. 7C 3-1. All of you pay attention. Imported math. Left hand side. That day I gave you this math as homework. Left hand side. Cos 10 degree. কথা বলো না, cos 30 degree, cos 50 degree, and cos 70 degree. Okay. Actually, from here we know a value that is cos 30 degree. We know this value. What is the value of cos 30? Let me know. Cos 30 equals to what? Root 3 by 2. I have written cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. Now I can write like this: cos 70, cos 50, and cos 10 degree. Now I can write root 3 by 2 into half into 2 cos 70 degree and cos 50 degree. I have taken this so that I can put it into formula. Okay. Now it is cos 10 degree. You see what is the formula in the bracket? Just let me know. 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula.
Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B.
Root 3 by 4 cos of A plus B, right? The cos of A plus B. What is the addition of these two? 120 degree.
Yes,
Cos
sir.
of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. What is the subtraction of these two? Cos 20. Now this is cos 10 degree. If there is anyone here who has failed to understand, please talk to me. I repeat, it depends only on the formula. If you don't know the formula, then nobody can do this math. So I told you just to memorize the formula from 1 to 12 at least. I repeat, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? What is the formula? Cos of A plus B. This is the formula number 7. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of cos 120 degree?
Minus half.
Cos 120 degree, use the calculator. Minus half. Minus half plus cos 20 degree into cos 10 degree. Okay, now I have to multiply. This is what? Minus root 3 by 8. Okay, cos 10 degree. Please try to understand. Plus root 3 by 4 cos 20 degree into cos 10 degree. You see, again, we have this type of pattern to put it into formula. We have another pattern to do this math. Okay, we have another pattern to do this math. Okay, so we are going to the next. You see, minus root 3 by 8 cos 10 degree. Now this is root 3 by 4. What we will do? We'll write root 3 by 4 into half into. Always you have to do this. Always in this math chapter, every math depends on this. Take half and 2. Take half and 2. Okay, I am writing here in this way so that you can easily get it. Half and this is 2. This half and 2 will be omitted. Okay, so we will get the same thing. As a result, we will have a formula again. Have you seen? What is the formula?
Yes,
What is the formula again? You tell me. What is the formula? Just let me know. This is root 3 by 8. It is the formula of cos of a plus b. 20 plus 10 equals to what? 20 plus 10 equals to 30. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 20 minus 10 equals to what? 10. Cos of a minus b. Know the formula. You can do the maths. If you can do the maths, you will be the gainer. And I don't know when your turn will be there. Okay, definitely your exam will be held in time. Okay, remember one thing. That is 2022. Okay, time will not wait for anybody. Remember one thing. There are too many students who have completed total math books. You have started, but you are not listening to me. I told you again and again to memorize the formula. Not more than 1 or 2 memorize the formula. Anyway, it depends on you. So now, what is the value of again cos 30 degree? Let me know. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. Now as usual cos 10 degree. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Now we can write minus root 3 by 8 cos 10 degree plus 3 by 16. 3 by 16. Have you seen? 3 by 16
Yes, sir.
plus root 3 by 8 cos 10 degree. Now what we get here? We get this and this omitted. And we are left with 3 by 16. That is the right hand side and it is proved. All the maths have the same dimension. Okay, you all have to come under the same dimension. Okay, I am going to the next question. That is question number 2. All of you pay attention. Another important math to be given in the examination. And this math is also of same type. Please write down question number 2 of 4. Question number 2 of 4. Exercise 7C. As I told you earlier, I mentioned it. Left hand side is equal to sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree, and sine 80 degree. Out of these 4, we know a value. This is a familiar value, okay, or called standard value. Have you got me? Standard ratio. So
Yes.
what is the value of sine 60 degree? Let me know.
Root 3 by 2.
So can we write here? You please see, pay attention. This is root 3 by 2 into, this is root 3 by 2 into half into 2 sine 80. For God's sake, don't make sound. For God's sake, don't make sound. Okay, please, don't make sound. Okay, have you got me? You
Yes,
see, these two will not be anymore. Then we are getting the previous one. Here, sine 60's value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now we are getting root 3 by 4 here. And here the formula, 2 sine b formula. Please let me know.
Cos
2
of A
sine
minus cos of A plus B.
Okay, all of you please. 2 sine A sine B formula. 2 sine A sine B. This is A and this is B. That is formula number 8, right? Formula number 8. What is the formula? Cos of A minus B. A minus B equals to what? Let me know. Cos of A minus B equals to what? A minus B equals to what? 40 degree.
40.
Then minus cos of A plus B. Minus cos of A plus B. 80 plus 40 equals to what? 120.
20 degree.
Okay. Now, what is the value of cos 120 degree? Use the calculator. Use
Minus
the
half.
calculator. Minus half. Always it is happening. Minus half, minus plus half. Right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we multiply. Okay, we multiply root 3 by 4 cos 40 degree into sine 20 degree. I mean, these, and these have been multiplied. Okay? Is it? If we
Yes, sir.
multiply this and this, then sine 20 will be put. Then root 3 by 8 plus root 3 by 8, only sine 20 will be there. Sine 20 degree. You see, please pay attention. Is there anyone in the waiting room? Please let me know. From next time, I will not allow anyone after the fixed time. Pratyasha Sarkar, every day, she becomes late to join and come and let me know, sir, I have not got anything. Okay? Pratyasha Sarkar, it's not fair that always you become late.
স্যার আমি না মনে করছিলাম কালকে ক্লাস এই ভেবে
No.
আমি ঘুমাচ্ছিলাম এত
You also
Sorry,
did the
sir.
same case for last 2 or 3 days. Anyway, you see again.
না
Wait.
স্যার এই একটা
Now,
অঙ্কই করিয়েছেন
no, just see, look at the board. Now again, what can be written, as I told you, root 3 by 4 is to be written into half, right? Into 2. Can you remember, please? That is cos 40 degree, sine 20 degree, first bracket is done. Then it is root 3 by 8, sine 20 degree.
স্যার সেজুতির ওয়াইফাই কাজ করছে না তো আজকে ক্লাস জয়েন করতে পারবে না
Okay, is equal to root 3 by 8, root 3 by 8. Okay, this is root 3 by 8. 2 cos A sine B. What is the formula? Shandip.
Sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B.
2 cos A sine B. What is the formula? Sine of
plus B minus sine of A minus B.
sine of A plus B. A plus B equals to what? 60 degree.
60
Minus
sine of 20 degree.
sine of A minus B. 40 minus 20 equals to what? 20 degree. It is the formula. Okay. Is now you have to maintain the formalities by writing root 3 by 8 sine 20. Actually, we don't have any functioning on this part. Now, what is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 root 3 by 2
Yes, sir.
minus sine 20 plus root 3 by 8 sine 20. Now we multiply 3 by 16 minus root 3 by 8 sine 20 plus root 3 by 8 sine 20. Okay, now I think you have got me that what is the answer. This will be cancelled and will be left again like the previous one. If there is any question from you, please let me know. %% is important. Example 1. This type of math. Prove that tan 20, tan 20, 40, 80. Prove that tan 20, 40, tan 80 is equal to root 3. It came in too many boards. Okay, this math was given in the maximum number of boards. Okay, please pay attention. Who can do it?
স্যার ট্রাই করতে পারি।
I am going to do, write down left hand side. Write down left hand side is equal to tan 20, tan 40, tan 80. From the formula number 1 to 12, we don't have any formula of tangent. Perhaps I am not wrong. From the formula number 1 to 12, we don't have any formula on tangent. We have the formula of sine and cosine, right? So what is our first duty is to convert all tangent into sine theta and cosine theta. Okay, so we can write like this. You see, sine 20, sine 40, sine 80 by cosine 20, cosine 40, cosine 80. What I have done, I have converted all into sine theta and cos theta. Now you see sine 20 into 2 sine 80 sine 40 by cos 20 to cos 80 cos 40. Some of you can ask me, sir, where is half? We don't need half because these two and these two will be omitted. So we don't need half into 2. I think you have got me right. But in the two previous maths, we took half into 2. But in this math, we don't need half into 2 because from the numerator and denominator, both 2 will be omitted. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now we put it into formula. Sine 20 degree. What is the formula? 2 sine A sine B. Let me know. Formula number 8. Two sine A sine B. What is the formula?
Sir, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B.
Cos A minus B. A minus B. What is A minus B? As I told you earlier, this is A and this is B. Cos A minus B. That means what? Let me know. Cos A minus B. 80
Sir,
minus
cos 40.
Cos 40 degree. Then it is minus cos A plus B. Cos A plus B. A plus B means what? 80 plus 40 equals to what? 120. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Like the previous one, cos 20 degree. Then you again tell me 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? 2 cos A cos B. Formula number 7.
Sir, cos A minus
Formula number 7. Cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B, that is 120 degree, plus cos of A minus B, that is cos 40 degree. Talk to me, please. All of you are required to talk to me. Is it okay to all? Please talk to me.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here, sine 20 degree, first bracket, cos 40 degree. Now just let me know what is the value of, like the previous math, cos 120 minus half, minus plus half, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then it is cos 20, again cos of 120, that is again minus half, plus cos 40 degree. My dear student, what I told you, can you remember? If there is fraction like this, fraction of fraction, then what is to do? Who can tell me? What I told you, please let me know. Okay, what is in the denominator? 2. 2 is the denominator. So by 2, we have to multiply all. So we multiply all by 2. Then what will be? 2. That is, it is 2 sine 20. 2 sine 20. It is what? Let me know. 2 cos 40. Right? It is what? 1. In the denominator, 2 cos 20 degree minus 1 plus 2 cos 40 degree. Please let me know if you fail to understand. Actually, what I have done, as I told you, there is 2, right? There is 2. You have to get the LCM. Then you have to give a multiplication sign and by inversing. I did not go for those 2 another steps. What I have done, I have just multiplied both the numerator and denominator by 2. Nothing else I did here, okay? Nothing else I did here. Okay. Now, what should be done? Can you tell me, please, to multiply? 2 cos 40 degree sine 20 plus 2 sine 20 by here minus 2 cos 20 degree plus, oh, I'm sorry, there is another 2, right? My dear students, please see, look at the board. I have a mistake. Please pay attention. These 2 and 2 will be omitted. We don't need that 2, right? Is it? So it is only this. So it is only minus cos 20. We don't need that 2. Then what we are getting? We are getting 2 cos 40 degree and cos 20 degree. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we again put it into formula. We again put it into formula. 2 cos A sin B formula. 2 cos A sin B. Formula number 5. 2 cos A
Sin
sorry,
A plus
sorry.
B.
I'm sorry, 5 no, it is 6.
Sin
Formula
A
number
plus B
6.
minus.
No. Is it?
স্যার
Sin A
নুজহাত
plus.
অ্যাডমিট চাচ্ছে ক্লাসে।
Okay. What is the formula? 2 cos A sin B.
So sin A plus B minus sin A minus B.
Sin A minus B. हाँ.
Okay. Then we are getting sin A plus B, right? So sin A plus B equals to what? Sin 60 degree, right? Minus sin A minus B equals to what? Sin 20 degree. This is the formula. This is the formula. Then in the denominator, we keep it as it is, minus cos 20 degree. Now please let me know. 2 cos A cos B. 2
So
cos A cos B.
plus B plus cos of A minus B.
Cos of A plus B plus cos of
A minus B.
A minus B. Okay. So what happens, you see, sin 20 minus sin 20 will be omitted. Cos 20 or minus cos 20 will be omitted, right?
Yes, sir.
Then in the numerator, we will be left with sin 60, and in the denominator, we will be left with cos 60. That is tan 60.
Tan 60.
Tan 60's value is what? Root over 3. That is right hand side. If this math is not given in the exam, then please talk to me, call me. These are, you told, but this math was not given in the examination. Okay. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to question number. Oh, that was 3. Now I am going to question number 4.1. Sorry, that question was 3.1.2. Okay, it is 4.1. You have to prove that sine 18 degree plus cos 18 degree is equal to root over 2 cos 27 degree. I will do this math in two ways, okay? So dear students, please pay attention. This math is to be done in two different ways. Eh? Okay, now left hand side, you see left hand side. Left hand side. Left hand side. Okay, question number formula, please. I don't know who are talking like this. Okay, you see, we don't have any formula. The sin C plus cos C. We don't have any formula like sin C plus cos C, right? So what is to do? This is to be converted into sine. Left hand side, you write down. Sine 18 degree plus cosine 90 degree minus 72 degree. 90 minus 72 equals to 18 degree. That means sine 18 degree plus this is sine 72 degree. Because there are 190 degrees, 1 into 90 degrees. And this one is what? As it is 1, I told you sine, adding a prefix, it will be cosine. Co, okay? It is 1 into 90 degree. Okay, now you just let me know, it is sine C and it is sine D. What is the formula? Sine C plus sine D. What is the formula? I am writing it again. Sine C plus sine D. What is the formula? Let me know. Sine C plus sine D. Formula number 9. Sine C
Sine
plus
of
sine D.
2 sine of C plus D by 2 into cos
2
of
sine of
C
2
minus D by
sine
2.
of 2 sine of C plus D by 2.
By 2.
Then cosine C minus D by 2. This is formula number 9. Now you calculate it. What is the result? Let me know. 2 sine what? 45 degree?
Yes, sir. Sine 45 degree into cos 27 degree.
And it is what? It is
27 degree.
27?
27 degree.
27 degree, right? Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the value of sine 45 degree? Let me know.
1 by root
Sine
2.
45, 1 by root 2.
1 by
And
root
this
Cos
is cos 27. Now, if we calculate it, we'll get root over 2 cosine 27 degree, which is here, right hand side, and our math is done. Okay, everybody, please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Now, I am going to do this math in another way. In another way. You see, all of you, please pay attention. I am going to do this math in another way. Write down alternative ways. Write down right hand side is equal to root over 2 cosine 27 degree. Now, you find, you add these two. What is the result?
So 45.
Very good, 45. So can I write 45 minus 18 degree? Just to get the this one, 27, this minus this, as a result, we are getting 18, which is in the left hand side.
Yes, sir.
If you please talk to me, then I would be highly pleased. Oh, I'm sorry. Cosine is not. Cosine is not written. I am sorry for that. Okay, then root 2. What is the formula? Let me know. Cos of A minus B. Cos A, cos B, right? Plus sin A, sin B. Am I right? What is the formula of cos of A minus B? Formula number 4. That is root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 18 degree. Then sin 45, 1 by root 2. Okay. sine 18 degree. Now, if we multiply by root 2, then we will be left with cos 8. Aha, এত সাউন্ড করলে বাবা আমি মিউট করে দিব প্লিজ।
কর্ণ ঘোষ তার থেকে সাউন্ড আসতেছে এসব।
আমি কিন্তু সবাইকে মিউট করে দিব কথা বললে। আতা গাছে তোতা কে? হুইজ আতা গাছে তোতা? হ্যাঁ
স্যার আমি
কে?
আমি স্যার
আমিটা কে?
স্যার আতার
হ্যাঁ তোমার ওখান থেকে সাউন্ড আসতেছে।
স্যার আমার এখানে সাউন্ড নেই স্যার।
আচ্ছা যার এখান থেকে এখন দেখানো দয়া করে প্লিজ কেউ সাউন্ডটা করো না, ইটস মাই রিকোয়েস্ট। এবার গো টু কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 482। তোমরা ম্যাথ রিলেটেড কোশ্চেন করো আমাকে 1000টা, আই উইল নেভার মাইন্ড। সাইন 27 ডিগ্রি cosine 27 degree is equal to root 2 cos 18 degree. Okay, do it. Write down right hand side. Right hand side, like the previous math, 2 cos 18 degree. Can you remember please what I wrote there? 45 degree minus 27 degree. Just these two make 45 degree. Now do it. Same math. Perhaps if I don't do, you can. Do it. I think you can do because the previous math and this math are same. So I am
sir,
not
Purple
going to do just the formula, nothing else. You practice at home. Keep a space to do this math. Thank you very much. Now question number 4.3. And we should not kill our time, huh? Okay, you have to prove that sine 1 of 5 degree, cosine 1 of 5 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Who can do this math? You just listen to me. There is no formula of sin C plus cos C. Suppose it is sin C. Suppose it is sin same angle C plus it is cos C. We don't have any formula. This angle same. Have you seen? We don't have any formula from 1 to 12 or anywhere in the trigonometry. In trigonometry, we don't have any formula. So can we do this math?
স্যার ট্রাই করি।
Okay.
একটু
I
টাইম
am
দেন
giving.
তাহলে।
Okay, I am giving you hints. Okay. You please write down left hand side.
সাইন কে কসে নিব?
It depends on you. You see, any of this is to be broken. That is sine 105 degree, not 2, plus cosine. What can be written? See, 90 plus 15. Can we do or we cannot? 90 plus 15 equals to what? 105. Kotha bolo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we see sine 105 degree, second quadrant. Have you seen what I have got? It lies in the second quadrant. 90 plus
Yes.
15. This is 90 plus 15, second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cosine is negative. As it is 1 into 90 degree. It is 1 into 90 degree. And this is what? So cosine, so co-system that I told you, this co-system will be omitted. Okay. So only sine will be there.
স্যার আমার শেষ।
Thank you very much. Now let me know sin C minus sin D. What is the formula? Sin C minus sin D. Let me know.
Sir, 2
What is
cos
the formula?
into
C plus D by 2 into sin c
2
minus d by 2.
cos 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin
c minus d by 2.
c minus d by 2. Okay. Now what we get, just let me know. 2 cosine 60 degree,
60.
and here we are getting 45 degree. Now put the value. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 equals to what? Let me know. Cosine 60 equals to what? 2 into half. That's good. And sine 45 1 by.
1 by root 2.
Then answer is equals to right hand side. I think you have got it right.
Yes, sir.
Please pay attention. Pay attention. Okay. So trigonometry, if you know the formula, then it is easier. If you don't know the formula, it is like hell. I think all of you will agree with me. Now I am going to question number 5. My dear students, can you remember